Today, we are going to create a fire sparks effect using one of CapCut's built-in light effects. This effect is perfect if you want to add glowing embers or cinematic firelight to your video. First, import your video and tap to select it. Now go to Effects, then Video Effects and open the Light tab. Scroll until you find By the Fireplace and apply it to your clip. Instantly, you'll see soft golden sparks appearing across your footage, just like a cozy fire or glowing embers drifting in the air. Now, let's customize it. Tap the effect again to open its sliders. The speed slider controls how quickly the sparks move. For a calm scene, keep it slow. But if you're going for an energetic or party vibe, increase the speed for a stronger motion. Next, we have the sticker slider. This one actually adjusts the opacity of the sparks. The sparks look too bright or artificial. Slightly lower this slider to blend them perfectly with your background. Finally, use the filter slider to change the overall tone. You can make it warmer, cooler, or more cinematic depending on your video style. And that's it. You've just created a beautiful fire sparks effect in CapCut Mobile. It's a quick way to make your edits feel more atmospheric, dramatic, or cozy depending on your project. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more detailed CapCut Mobile tutorials.